Hi, this is John Fallett with Senior Enrollment Solutions. Times have definitely changed. I don't know if you've read the book, Who Moved My Cheese, but this is certainly 2020 ending, and many of us have had our cheese moved, meaning the way that we're currently conducting business has changed. There's no more bingos going on at Section 8 facilities. There's no more going into senior facilities. We are really on a lockdown as a nation still. Leave the politics out of it. Leave your beliefs out of it. The reality is that we're on a lockdown still as a nation. Even if your state isn't on a true lockdown, many consumers are in fear of seeing you, as they don't know how many other consumers you've seen. Now is the time to get your telephonic skills down. Now is the time to understand the stalls, the objections, and how to write applications. Note, every carrier has telephonic enrollments now. I do not know of one that does not. Understanding how to use these tools, ascend, rate, whether or not the carrier has built in their telephonic enrollment tool or whether or not it's through a DocuSign, learning how to write electronic enrollments or utilizing a carrier's telephonic signature will save you a trip, will save you the hassle, and will provide a clean application going down to the carrier. If you have any questions on how to polish up your telephonic skills, how to write carriers online or collect a telephonic signature, which carriers are offering telephonic signatures, or how to produce that enrollment electronically, phone us at 248-270-9577, or for all things agent related, seniorenrollmentsolutions.com/agents.